Hi, Dave from Rex Equipment. Today we're looking at this utility dumper on tracks. Gasoline-powered engine, walk behind, great for tough terrain, working on the acreage, your construction projects, landscaping, can get through all kinds of tight spaces and tough terrain, and it'll get the job done. This versatile machine can be used in many applications. Construction, on the acreage, landscaping. Can haul all kinds of different materials in here, rocks, dirt, mulch, leaves, you name it. This machine is easy to operate, it's going to reduce a lot of labor, and it will save you time and money. This machine's powered by a 6.5 horsepower, 4-stroke gasoline engine. Don't forget to add oil and gas before you start it up for the first time. The transmission comes with 3 forward speeds and 1 reverse. It's also equipped with a safety brake, so it doesn't careen off a mountain and kill your family. Over on this side here, you've got the lever and the release for the manual tip box. This machine also is available with some additional options. You can get a rider platform, or you can mount a snow blade. On top of all that, the unit is EPA certified. So there you have it. That's a quick look at the Rex utility dumper. We're shipping these all over Canada. Get yours today.